Good afternoon all. Welcome to the Department of Aeronautical Engineering. I am K1, Assistant Professor. In this laboratory class, we will discuss how to conduct an experiment using the free convection setup. So as we have discussed earlier about the basic principles of heat transfer in the previous experiment, we will directly go to the experiment. Here we are having a flat plate which is having 5 to 7 thermocouples located at different sections. This flat plate is kept inside this duct and the electrical supply is connected to this flat plate. As like the previous experiment, we are having the heater assembly. So using this switch we can switch on the heater, and using this switch we can switch on the display systems. In the display system we can measure or we can note down the temperature values at the 7 different thermocouple locations. Here you can visualize in this duct, inside this duct, the location of the thermocouples which is covered with the acrylic sheet. Regarding the working principle, this convective experimental setup is used to calculate the heat transfer coefficient from the Fourier law of heat transfer, where Q is equal to minus Ka dt divided by dx, where K is the heat transfer coefficient, A is the cross-sectional area of the plate, dt is the change in temperature with respect to change in location. Using this knob, we can control the amount of current supplied as well as voltage of the current for the flat plate. So here I am going to adjust the knob level so that the current which is in ampere as well as the voltage gets increases. So depending upon the heat supply, depending upon the electrical current supply, the heat will starts to increase in the flat plate, which is measured using the thermocouple which is displayed in the display system. In this picture you can see the location of thermocouples T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7. We can carry out this experiment for different current values for the different time duration. So we can calculate the heat transfer coefficient using this flat plate for variation in time period. Thank you.